In this episode of Apple versus Apple, Canon, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in a first generation iPad. For this repair, you're going to need a screwdriver, a Torx, some levers, a little sucky pad, and your mum's hairdryer. But the most important tool, Apple Canon! Now that we've loosened the adhesive holding the screen in, we need to separate it from the outer case to expose the battery. With the screen now completely removed and the batteries exposed, we can go ahead and put in our new battery. Now we've got the new batteries installed, we just need to reassemble the iPad and pop it on charge. Just plug it in. Be sure to like, share and subscribe because I've got plenty more Apple products to get rid of. So for that, catch you.